Mr. DS18 here checking in. I want to show you guys 5 easy steps to take your Bronco to the next level. Follow me. Option number 1, check this out. So you have your stock location, right? But you want to put an aftermarket speaker because the speaker that comes in here doesn't have enough power, doesn't sound loud. What we did with this option is that we took out the stock speaker. We put in one of our G series speakers. He wanted to have the grill because he wanted that DS18 flashy look. And he connected this speaker directly to the radio, which it became pretty loud, much louder than the stock. That's option 1. Option 2, check this out. He added an 8-inch Pro Audio NXL pod right there. This is a shallow pod, but not just a pod. He added our Bronco bracket right here. Fits perfectly in the Bronco. He has a soft top, so it won't be in your way. You can take your soft top down, you can put it back up, take the windows out, and it's going to be extremely loud. So he has option 1 and option 2. Wait, check this out. Option number 3, check out the Bronco door panel. Fits a 6.5 inch with the super tweeter. Comes in black. You can color match it to make your door look one of a kind. Makes it look good. But the best part is, once you close the door, it's not going to be in your way. It won't be a difficulty for you to drive. It's not going to be a distraction, and it's going to be extremely loud. But that's not the only option. I also have the kick panel option. Look at this one. So what we did in the kick panel is that we replaced the stock speaker for our Pro Carbon Fiber series to give it some nice crystal clear vocals. We put the grill back on, we put some lights inside, and it makes it look cool, loud, comfortable, the DS18 way. But wait, there's still more. Let's go. But you want bass? I got you. Check out the Bro Bass. 12-inch subwoofer enclosure made out of plastic, and it's ported. That's right, ported. Comes with the shallow subwoofer. It comes with this grill that looks like the Bronco's headlight. Lights up with an LED RGB, and it gets down. But I got more. Wait, come here. Check this out. If you want tower system, check this out. We have the Bro 2. That's right. The clamps fit on your roll cage. You can go down, you can go up. But if you want to go extremely loud tailgating, we got the Bronco's sound bar. Fits 4 8-inches firing back, but the fun's not over there. Let's go around. Now on the front part, you have 2 6.5 inch and 2 super tweeters firing inside. So if you want that loudness, that crispiness, we got you. So here we have something different. These guys here went all the way custom. Check this out. You did a custom box with DS18 subs down firing. They wanted some space, they wanted more bass than actually the tailgate sub. And then they also did a custom roll cage bar tube on top where they have 2 of our DS18 pods, 8 inches, but not our regular pods. These are our big pods. They did them custom. They removed the waterproof speaker and they added our Pro Slim hybrids in there. They also did the DS18 grill with the color matching pink. And then they went and grabbed our DS18 4-inch tower speakers and they put them facing forward because they removed from the stock location that Ford pod that goes here because they wanted the more aggressive off-road look. So it looks amazing, but they did add our door panels. And this is how our door panels usually come. They come in matte black. They didn't custom paint them, they left them matte black, but they did custom paint the grill pink to match the rear. They added the LED tweeters. It looks amazing. Like I said, DS18 has options for your Bronco. We still got one more to show you guys. Follow me. So now if you want to go super loud, you can always go this extreme with DS18, baby. You like it loud.